Okay, so I can see the progress, I can see the object, I can see the row that is a parent row that has a status. Once I do a progress from status new, we said it will present me with a form that says revise only, and here progress, and cancel. This is what we explained in the previous subject. I press on the progress, it says revise. The system will change the status from new to being revised. Where did I get this status? From the status network, the one that you defined. And it wrote a history record that says this person did this during this time. I want to be able to interfere. Me, as a Prosper expert, or you as a Prosper expert, I want to give you the possibility to interfere when this user takes this action. You interfered by designing the status network. You designed the statuses from and to. You named the paths, okay? And one thing you did also, or you can do, is from status new to status being revised, that is called revise. That is selectable here. You can do many things. One thing, the first thing that you should do is to protect this path. What do I mean protect this path? Protect this path means allow only certain people that have certain roles to execute this path. It is not necessary that I design this path means everybody sees it. You have to say who will see this path. So it's very important when you design a path from one status to another to protect that path. To say who can follow this path. Right? Who can execute this path. It's very important. Because imagine that you are a staff member requesting approval from your manager. If you say request approval, the path is called request approval. And the status that will go into it will go into waiting approval. Right? Okay, you have access to the object, you have access to the progress, you have access to the row, and it changed from being prepared to waiting approval. Well, wouldn't it be nice if you yourself also can do progress and approve it? That would be really great, but why the hell we're doing this stuff? I'll give you the edit and you can change it to approved from the beginning. Okay? We're doing this because Prosper is a multi-user system. Multi-user system means everybody does his or her job. You can't do the job of others. If the designer allows you to do that, go ahead. I don't care. But the designer, the Prosper expert, must allow you to do this work. So the first thing that we do is we protect that path. Okay? The second thing that we do is we decide, what do you want to happen other than generating a history row? What do you want to happen? Do you want, as Prosper expert, that Prosper does something else? Do you want to send an email to somebody? Do you want to set an alert? Do you want to calculate some values? Do you want to update some other table? This is what our next subject is going to be, is when we run a function and when we follow a path, what happens as you, as a Prosper expert, how can you interfere?